Hi, I'm Ritik, a fellow at Alpha AI, and here I'm with a dashboard to find various insights from Alpha Superstore data. So let's head over my dashboard. So this is the dashboard that I came up with. Here, all the graphs are with respect to profit, and on this page, all the graphs are with respect to sales. So let's come to the sales first. The data is of past 4 years. It is from 2017 to 2019. There are a lot of insights that we can get from here. But I am going to state some of the most significant points to be very quick. The yearly sales of the company is increasing year by year. The salesperson with the maximum contribution of 32% of overall sales is Anna Reddy. She handles the western region of United States and has done maximum sales in California of around $57,000. Product with the maximum sale is a Canon copier. However, the subcategory of product with maximum contribution in sales is phone. Talking about the sales strategy of the salespersons, Anna and Reddy has done a fabulous job. Her sales has been increasing year by year. Compared to the last year, which is 2018, Anna has a growth of around 33% in the sales in 2019. Coming to Cassandra's performance, in the initial 2 years, Cassandra's performance was not very good. But in 2018 and 2019, she started improving her strategy, resulted a better amount of sales. However, she had done 50% less profit in 2019 in compared to 2018. Checkmagi's strategy is good for the yearly sales, but not very good to achieve a long-term goal. As we can see here, the revenue does not goes down in all the 4 quarters throughout the year. But if we compare the yearly sales, there is not a high rise in the sales except in 2019. Here was a growth of around 18%. And the Kelly Williams need to change her strategy to grow the revenue. Even in 2019, she has done 0.2% less sales. And if we come to profit, she had done less profit, around 62% less profit than in 2018, which is not very good. Now here is an interesting fact in the discount percentage. As we can see here, the product with the more discount percentage is not adding much to the revenue growth. I am suggesting to the company to set a certain threshold for the discount percentage on the products. More discount may attract customers but not seems very beneficial to the company. Similar relations are here with the profit. A huge discount of 70% leads to a loss of around $40,000, which is not beneficial for the company. Also, the company has experienced a huge loss of around $25,000 in the Texas state. This region is handled by Kelly Williams. We have talked about her sales strategy. It is not good. Also, I have highlighted two of the subcategories here, tables and bookcases. Every year, these two subcategories give loss of. Also, I have highlighted two of the subcategories here. Every year, these two categories give loss to the company. See, suggesting to the company to remove those products from their list or make a better strategy to sell them. as we have also seen that on tables there was a discount of around 26%. Maybe reducing the discount percentage can lead to a better amount of profit in this subcategories. Thank you.